Welcome back to 30 Days to Better Hearing. You are 2 weeks in, well done, that's a huge achievement. And on day 14, we're shifting our focus towards a critical aspect of your hearing journey, sound discrimination. As you become more accustomed to your new hearing aids, distinguishing between different types of sounds and understanding speech in noisy environments becomes vital. Today, we'll explore a few ways in which you can enhance your ability to discern sounds, making your hearing aids even more valuable in daily life. Sound discrimination is the ability to recognize and differentiate between sounds in your environment. It's essential for understanding speech, especially in places where background noise is present. As your brain adjusts to your hearing aids, actively working on sound discrimination can significantly improve your communication skills. Now, there are some speech discrimination programs that you can get access to, but here are a few practical exercises you can do at home over the next few days which might help. Focused listening. Choose a quiet room and have a friend or a family member read a list of words or sentences. First, listen without your hearing aids and then with them. Note any differences in clarity and which sounds are easier to distinguish with your hearing aids. Environmental sounds identification. Take a walk or sit in a park and make a mental note of all the different sounds that you hear. Try to identify as many as you can, focusing on the direction they come from and their characteristics. This exercise helps your brain tune into various sound sources, improving spatial awareness. Music appreciation. Listening to music can be an excellent way to enhance sound discrimination. Try listening to a familiar piece of music and focus on identifying individual instruments. Music's complex layers and frequencies can train your ear to pick up on nuances. Watching TV with subtitles. Now, this can be a very useful exercise to match visual cues and auditory ones, enhancing your ability to distinguish speech from background noise. Start with the subtitles on and gradually try to rely on them less as you become more comfortable with speech sounds through your hearing aids. Remember, improving sound discrimination is a gradual process that requires patience and practice. Don't be discouraged by initial challenges. You're still only a fortnight in, remember. Exercises like these only help you get used to your hearing aids. Your brain is incredibly adaptable and capable of remarkable changes with consistent effort. Keep these exercises as part of your daily routine and you'll likely notice improvements in not just in sound discrimination, but in your overall hearing aid experience. Your ability to communicate in various settings will enhance, and sounds that once blended together may start to become more distinct and recognizable. That wraps up our focus for day 14. Keep practicing and I look forward to seeing you again tomorrow.